Hi, Cyril. Okay. Hi, Viviana. Two more.
Look, parkour. Look at this parkour. This is my this is my go class. Okay. I did it. Okay.
Mhm. Adrian, Adrian Astro is not here yet, right? Yeah, lah, huh? Hmm. Never mind. I think we just start first. So, any problem with the paper that I give in to you? So we discuss first. Yeah, which question, if any? Oh, Astro is here already. Hi, Astro. Okay. Hi, hi. So we go to the question 12. Okay, I put it here. I put it in. Is it you confused with the value of H and K? You get a different value, right? And you don't know which one you should choose, or the one you get is different with my answer, right? Is that what you not understand, Isa? Oh, you don't know where's the point. Okay, never mind. First of all, this is a common sense that which in the mathematics, if we have A, B, C, D, that means it must follow the sequence, whether clockwise or anti-clockwise. That means A, B, let's say like A, B, C, D, or A, B, C, D. Impossible that we have A, C, B, D. This one, can you understand? If you can understand, reply me 1. If not, reply me 2. Okay, so we try to sketch a simple graph. Okay, 7. So this one will be A, 7, -1. B, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. 3, 4, 5. 3, 5 is here. So this is B, 3, 5. So I use the green color to for the C, -2. -2 is here. -2 is here. That means C value is somewhere this line. Do you agree? If you can understand, please reply me 3. If not, reply me 4. Okay, so another line, I will use the blue for the D. The value of X is 6. So somewhere here. Somewhere here. That means C coordinate D was somewhere along this blue line. Oscon. So if we follow the sequence of clockwise and anti-clockwise, if A is here, B is here. So if you want to go to C, you must A, B, C, D. Is it possible? Is that? No. If not possible, that means C must be somewhere here along this line, right? Okay. And also D. Can D be here? This area, which means no. That means D is must be somewhere here, so that okay, you see, if I draw the line, okay, A, B, C, let's say C is here. Okay, that means D somewhere here. Somewhere here. Okay, like this. Or so that this is parallelogram. All right. That means C will be this part, D will be here. All right. When we make it clear, then we can move to our questions. So, which means, okay, C is here, D is here. You can get either you choose you get the gradient of AD. Gradient AD is equal to gradient of BC, or gradient of AB will be equal to gradient of CD, right? This one can understand, huh? So are you using this way also? Is that? No. So in this case, okay, let's say you want to choose number 1 or number 2. Want to choose number 1 or number 2? Number 1, okay. Gradient AD. So gradient AD will be D will be 6K CH -2. So gradient AD equal to BC. So AD K minus -1 over 6 minus 7, okay, equal to -2 minus 5 over H minus 3. Okay, that means K plus 1 equal to -7. K equal to -8. Is that the answer that I given to you? Let me check. Yup, K is -8. So this one is -1 plus 3 equal to H equal to 2. Okay, is it clear? So B, do I need to find for the B? No need lah, huh? Okay, next question is, have any? Others? 7. Okay, 7. Okay, I want to make a survey first. Already done for number 7. Please reply me 7. If not yet try, reply me 8. Don't know, reply me 9. That means already try but don't know. Okay, bagus Ivy. Okay. So you see, if the sum of root and the product of root of the quadratic equation, okay, we have so many ways to do to get the roots, to get the roots. One of it is, okay, when a s squared plus bs plus c equal to 0, that means s squared plus b over a x plus c over a. Okay, at the middle one is actually sum of root, and the last one, this one is product of roots, which means normally we'll use alpha and the beta to represent the sum and the product of, let's say, alpha plus beta and alpha beta, right? That means this one will be s squared minus, this one must be minus. This one is okay, let's say I just use alpha and beta as a roots, so alpha plus beta, then s plus alpha beta equal to 0. Okay, so Asru and Izzat, okay, now refresh already, now remember already, right? Asru, Izzat? Yeah, so this one, when 5s squared minus qx, oh, okay, plus p equal to 0, which means this one not yet in the form of this one. We don't have a for the s square, so every number have divide with the 5, okay, like this, and then have to make sure this one must be minus, must be minus. If this one already in minus, so we just like it, and then we get that the sum of root, okay, sum of root is 6 over 5. Okay, given that sum of root blah blah blah, okay, there are two different kind of question, maybe you misunderstand, no? Izzat, I think you misunderstand. You thought one of the root is 6/5 and another one is 1/5. Is that your mistake? You do like 6/5 plus 1/5 and another one 6/5. Oh, not you, sorry, sorry. Oh yeah, sorry. Asru, is it like that? Asru, kamu ingat ini root, ini pun satu lagi root, so you buat macam ini. Untuk gantikan di sini and sini. Bukan macam itu, So dia sudah kata sum of root is 5/6. So 5/6 is equal to Q/5. This one you put in bracket, this one have S. You put in bracket so that you won't take the negative together. So Q equal to 6. And another one, product of roots is 1/5, which means P/5. So P equal to 1. Okay or not, Asru? Hello, Asru? Ulang-ulang, okay. Mula-mula. Yang pertama, kan macam cikgu cakap hari tu, kita ada dua jenis cara untuk cari roots. Banyak cara lah, ini salah satu. Kalau kita guna product of root dengan sum of root, kita punya equation must be S square minus. Let's say alpha ialah one of the root and another one is beta. So in this form, kita mesti tukar dalam bentuk ini, then whatever lah root that they give, kita ganti untuk alpha and beta saja. Dan sekarang ni dia kata 6/5. 6/5 ialah sum of roots. 1/5 ialah product of roots. Dia bukan maksud, mungkin kamu salah faham, kamu ingat root pertama 6/5. Katakan root pertama ialah alpha 6/5. Root kedua 1/5. Jadi kamu buat alpha tambah beta, kamu buat 6/5 tambah 1/5. Mungkin kamu buat macam ini. Saya tak nampak lah apa yang kamu buat. Tapi you kena pasti, this is sum of root, which means is 6/5. That means Q/5 kita ganti, kita banding dengan 6/5. Yang negatif ini, yang negatif ini jangan bawa, sebab negatif memang bukan dia punya. Kita buat kurungan supaya kita tahu Q/5 yang kita keluarkan untuk banding dengan 6/5. And so another roots, bukan another roots, sum of root, product of root, product of root is 1/5, which means we compare with P/5. P/5. Ini 5 pertama, so P equal to 1. Boleh faham ke, Asrul? Sikit-sikit ke langsung tak tahu? Sikit-sikit. Okay. Yang ini faham tidak? Ini soalan kan? This one is question. Question. And we want to transform it into this form, which means kita tidak ada A di sini. We don't have A di sini. So, all the equation we have to divide by 5. We divide 5, that means S squared minus Q/5 X plus P/5 equal to 0. Ini okay? Ini okay? Kalau okay, reply me 1. Okay, so you see this one is negative. That means we put in bracket so that we can ensure Q over 5 ialah sum of the root. So diberi sum of the root is 6 over 5 and product of the root is 1 over 5. That means we put it like this. 6 over 5 S plus 1 over 5 equal to 0. Ini boleh faham? Kalau boleh faham, reply me 1. If not, reply me 2. So that means Q over 5 equal to 6 over 5. Betul tidak? Oh, so you potong-potong. So Q equal to 6. And also P over 5 will be 1 over 5. So P equal to 1. Macam itu saja. Oh, Asrul boleh faham? Kalau boleh faham, reply me Q. If not, reply me W. Okay, boleh sudah kan? Okay, any more question? Sisting. Okay. Usually have a rectangular piece of zinc with a perimeter. Okay, rectangular. Okay. Let's say this one is S, this one is Y. Okay, so perimeter is 32. That means 2S plus 2Y equal to 32. S plus Y equal to 16. So S equal to 16 minus Y. Ini okay, Viviana? Okay, okay, right? Then he wants to use that piece of zinc to build an open cylinder both end. Okay, kalau kita ada rectangular macam kertas A4, oh, A4 paper. A4 paper kamu roll dia macam cylinder. Oh, dia macam cylinder. Kan sini and sini open. Betul tak? Kalau boleh faham, reply me A. Kalau tak faham, B. Okay, so itu yang dia masukkan both open end. Setahu saya lah. Yang terbuka pada kedua-dua hujung. Open end. So, okay, you take pandik. Sekarang you tengok. You tengok. Kalau ini kertas A4 kamu, kamu roll dia macam silinder. Sebenarnya bahagian ini adalah circumference. Betul tidak? Adalah bulatan atas itu. Dan S ini adalah tinggi dia. Ini faham tidak? Kalau faham, reply me S. Kalau tak faham, reply me D. Okay, bagus. That means, okay, circumference untuk silinder, okay, S equal to R theta equal to 2 pi R. Betul tidak? Kalau betul, reply me 1. Kalau tak betul, tak faham, reply me 2. Okay, Viviana, macam ini ya. Kan Y ini kita, saya tengok dulu. Okay. Saya stop presenting. Okay. Nampak tak gambar saya? Okey. Viviana, you tengok kertas ini ya. Okey, ataupun yang ambil ini, kertas ini ya. So, ini X. Oh, ini S. Ini atas ini Y. Kalau saya buat dia macam silinder, saya buat dia macam silinder, yang atas ini adalah Y, betul tidak? Ya, tengok saya buka. Atas ini adalah Y, betul tidak? Kalau faham, ini reply me 1. Tengok atas ini 1. So yang tepi ini S kan? Tepi ini S. So we back to the question. We back to our question. So kalau bulatan 2 pi r kan? 2 pi r. Dan ini pun sebenarnya adalah Y, betul tidak? So Y equal to 2 pi r. Ini boleh faham tidak? Kalau boleh faham, reply me 1. Okay, bagus. So that means radius for this cylinder will be Y over 2 pi. Okay, Y over 2 pi. Kenapa kita nak cari ini? Sebab dia kata find the line, find the length and Y for the piece, this piece of zinc. That means kita nak cari S and Y kan? S and Y. So Y kita sudah tahu, Y ialah ini. S ialah untuk silinder is H, right? Y is H. And find the Y in centimeter of the piece of zinc that can make the volume. Okay, kalau kita nampak volume, automatically volume of the cylinder will be apa dia? Pi r square H. Pi r square H. H ialah S kan? H ialah S. And R, yes, ini. So kita substitute dia. Pi Y over 2 pi square H ialah X. Okay? H adalah X. So, pi Y square over K pi square X. So, ini over 1 kan? So, ini potong-potong. That means we will get 1 over 4 SY square. Okay? 1 over 4 SY square. And then, kita yang sini, kita dapat S equal to 16 minus Y. So, kita substitute lagi. 16 minus Y equal to Y square. So, expand it. 1, ini 4. This one might 4 minus 1 over 4y. Y square. Y square. Ataupun okay. I write it here lah. Y equal to 1 over 4 SY square. So S is 16 minus Y. Y square. Alright. So 4 minus 1 over 4y, y square. So 4y square minus 1 over 4y cube. Okay, this one is V. Lepas itu, you see, is maximum. The volume of cylinder is maximum. When we see minimum and maximum, they mean dy dx, right? Dy ds. Of course, d2y okay, this one must be less than 0 kalau dia maximum kan. Okay, tak apa, yang penting ini equal to 0. That means now is dv dy. Dv dy will be 8y minus 3 over y square. And dv dy equal to 0. So that it will get maximum or minimum now. So 0 equal to 8y minus 3 over 4y square. So 3 over 4y square equal to 8y. So this one potong-potong, y equal to 8 times 4 over 3. So 32 over 3. Boleh faham ke tidak setakat ini untuk Bibiana? Boleh faham? Kalau faham, okay. So kita substitute ini masuk ke sini. 16 minus 32 over 3. So you get the tinggi inilah. Alright? Macam itu saja. Ini dia banyak sana sini lah. Tapi konsep dia macam itu saja. Okay, any more question? Seven. 11. Okay. 11. Diagram 4 shows a straight line ST intersect with the straight line S, coordinate of X. Okay, first of all, siapa tidak biasa tengok ini? Okay, kalau faham ini, reply 1. If not really understand, reply me 2. Okay, how about the others? Darren, Ivy, Viviana, Syria. Syria senyap sekejap Syria. Okay. Actually, beside then y equal to ms plus c, this is linear equation. So linear equation also can write it as s over a plus y over b equal to 1, which means this one is y s intersect and this one is y intersect. Like this. This one is y and this one is b. This one is a. Boleh faham? Kalau faham, reply me q. Kalau tak faham, reply me p. Macam itu saja. Kalaulah in the exam, if in the exam you don't know, really don't know, so you just do like normal way. This one is 7, So 7s plus 6y over 42 equal to 1. 7s plus 6y equal to 42. So 6y equal to 42 minus 7x. Y equal to 7 minus 7 over 6x, which means y equal to negative 7 over 6, s plus 7. So you see, y intersect, this is 7. That means this is 7. Understand? And so you get, in order to get the t coordinate t, you substitute y equal to 0, then you will get the x for this one. So you see, this one is 7. You see here, 7. Y over 7. So actually this is 7 and this one of course is 6. So coordinate of t is 6, 0, and coordinate of x is 0, 7. Is S intersect with the y-axis? This is question number 11. No question. Yes. No? Yeah. So you get the A. So S will be 0, 7. And then find the coordinate of N given that MS is 2, or this one B, okay or not? If okay, then I'm not going to explain. If not okay, then only I explain. 11B, okay, huh? All right, so any more questions? Tapi kenapa kalau masuk equation jawapan dia lain? Izzat, you buka mic cakap. You pakai komputer ke pakai handset? Oh. Nyam 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 nyam. Kenapa kalau substitute S equal to 0 masuk equation? Okay. Jawapan lain. Okay, equation kamu ni Y equal to, kan kalau letak S, betul? Okay, equation kamu Y equal to negative 7 over 6S plus 7. Adakah ini equation kamu? Guna equation yang dia bagi. Okay, so S over 6 plus Y over 7 equal to 1. Kita nak substitute apa? S equal to 0, S equal to 0, so 0 over 6 plus Y over 7 equal to 1, Y over 7 equal to 1, Y 1. Betul ba? 7, sorry. Okay. Salah tengok, okay? Tidak apa. Any more questions? Ivy, senyap je Ivy, Syria. Number 9. Baru mau tanya. Okay. Kalau Syria tanya, saya mesti jawab dulu. Okay. Ini Okay. Besarkan sikit. Okay. So serial you tengok best yang diberi ini A. Ini A. Tapi express log with the best square root A. Ini sudah lain. Kalau ini lain, kita kena fikir log A, B. If we want to change the base of the logarithm, let's say change to C, so kita tukar kepada C. So yang atas, yang besar ini di atas, kecil ini di bawah, which means log C B over log C A. Boleh faham Syria yang ini pertama? Okay. So log ini 343A over 16 will be, okay, sebab yang dia bagi base ini A, so kita tukar kepada A. Kita tengok now square root A ialah A di sini A di sini, and 343A over 16 ini adalah B di sini. So tukar kepada format ini will be log. Okay, C sekarang ni kita nak tukar kepada A. C tukar kepada A. So, that means log A. So, ini adalah B. Apa tu B? 343A over 16. Over log A lagi. Yang ini A ini ialah apa? A ini ialah square root of A. Yang ini. So, kita tengok ini, atas ini, log A, dia ada fraction kan, dia ada pecahan. So, that means 343A minus log A 16 over, okay, this one is log A 1 over 2, power 1 over 2. And 343, this number you have to be familiar, di mana all the square number 2 square until 20 square. Kamu kena hafal. And then cube, 1 cube until 10 cube. You kena hafal. You have to memorize. Dan kita tahu 343 equal to 7 cube. That means nombor ini ialah log A7 cube. And one more thing, you tengok 343A here. 343A actually ialah darab kan? So, kita boleh buat tambah di sini. Log A. Okay, minus lagi. 16 if for the base of 2 is 4. 2 power of 4. So, this one is log A 2 power of 4. Why we need to change to base of yang dua ini, you tengok soalan dia. Ini 2. 2. So, kita nak tukar pergi 2. Yang ada kaitan hanya 2 dengan 7 saja. Tengok 2 dan 7. Boleh faham ke tidak, Syria? Tengok ini 7. Ini 2. So, sudah tukar pergi yang macam atas. Alright. So, next. Ini masih over. So, ini over 1 over 2 bawa depan. 1 over 2 log A. Ini jadi 1. Ini jadi 1. Dan sambung lagi. 3 bawa depan. 3 log A 7 plus log A equal to 1. Minus 4 log A 2 over 1 over 2. Boleh faham tidak serius setakat ini? Boleh. So, saya sambung. 3 log A7. Log A7 is a Q. Ini ialah Q. So, 3Q plus 1 minus 4. Log A2 ialah P. 4P. Over 1 over 2. Over 1 over 2 is actually time 2. Okay? So, that means 6Q plus 2 minus 8P. Itulah jawapan. Okay, Syria? Boleh faham tak? Boleh ya? Okay, bagus. Any more questions? Ada lagi soalan? Okay. Value of n. Okay. First of all, you tengok equation yang dibagi y square equal to mx S power of N. Tapi gambar yang dia bagi ada log, log dia asas dia 10, base dia 10. So that means log 10 y square equal to log 10 m s power of n. So this one will be 2 log 10 y equal to log 10 m plus log 10 s power of n and log 10 m plus n log 10 x. Okay. Now we rearrange it to log 10 y equal to n log 10 s plus log 10 m, and then 2 kita divide. Nanti later on I will explain to you why we divide on both sides with 2 log 10 y equal to n over 2 log 10 s plus log 10 n over 2. So y equal to m s plus c. And y equal to ms plus c. Izzat, setakat ini you boleh faham tidak? Okay. Dan you tahu kenapa kena buat macam itu? Tahu ke tidak? Buat sama macam graf. Yes, buat sama macam graf. Kan tadi kamu kata nak cari value of n kan? So value of n, mana dia? Value of n ialah ini. Ini ialah apa? Gradient. So you need to get the gradient of this one. So gradient will be 0.1 minus 0.5 over 0.2. So 0.4, negative 0.4 over 0.2 will get negative 2. M equal to negative 2 and gradient is n over 2. So n is equal to negative 4. Understand? Okay. Any more? To think. Measure of center tendency is a statistic measurement which is a common use in daily life. Okay. Okay. Dia masuk dia statistik lah, We have so many kinds of statistics that we want to do. Like, okay. The height of the student in 5 biru ni. Kalau kita sebut pasal height, wait. Kita akan untuk for the, let's say for your own class, for your class. We want to do the statistic. Normally, what will you get? What will you think about? In statistic, kita ada mean, mode, median. Ini ialah yang asas dia, best. So, Asro, mana satu you akan guna? Asro, you tengok bola tidak? Asro tengok bola tidak? You tengok bola. Okay. Kan dia siapa? Siapa you suka? Player. Mana player you suka? Siapa nama dia? Macam mana sebut nama dia? Tidak tahu saya. Saya tidak berapa tengok bola. Zirong. Okay. Let's say lah, katakan dia game pertama dia shoot 2 goal. Game 2 dia ada goal. Game 3 1 goal. Sampai habis season dia punya score macam mana kita kira? Apa yang kita guna? Average kan? Betul tak? Ya. So, kalau kata height, weight, biasa kita guna mean. Mean of the height untuk kelas 5 biru ni. Macam itulah. Ini sebenarnya susah mau cakap lah soalan ini. Tidak kata dia mesti macam itu. Doesn't mean that must. Must. Just apa dia? Agak-agak jugalah kebetulan. Like this one. The income of parents who have a huge gap in the school. In a school. Kalau dia kata yang ini, okay, ini kena pakai medium. Kenapa pakai medium? Kalau huge group, dia mesti dalam yang ini. Collective data, dia mesti banyak data. Lepas tu kita guna medium, rumus formula kita dapat medium yang tengah-tengah. Yang tengah-tengah. Mungkin you kata, cikgu, boleh pakai mean ke tidak? Boleh juga. Tidak kata tak boleh. Asrul? Yang C, Miza wants to sell favorite food for her school in the Young Entrepreneurship Project. Okay. Dia nak jual. Ini senang sikit. Kalau jual favorite food. Ming, mok, medium. Mana guna? Kalau kamu nak business, you buat survey dulu kan. You buat survey, apa yang kamu tengok? Kalau you jual, let's say, I think ada, ya banyak orang suka lah, mok lah. So ini mok lah. Boleh faham? Begitulah. Kalau B, you kalau kata medium boleh ke tidak? Bagi saya boleh juga. Ming boleh ke tidak? Bagi saya boleh. Bagi saya boleh. Tidak ada masalah. Tapi jawapan dia medium, so mungkin disebabkan huge gap ini. Perkataan ini. That means when we have the huge range, kita guna medium. Alright? Ada lagi? Any more questions? No more? 12A. Serial yang ini ke serial? Sudah ini. Saya terangkan sekali lagi ke serial? Okay. Mula-mula, kalau kita nampak satu parallelogram ataupun apa-apa saja, polygon atau apa, dia mesti A, B, C, D ataupun P, Q, R, S ataupun L, M, N, K, L, M, N kan macam tu. Ada ke tidak kalau A, B, C, D? A, C, D, B? Ada ke tidak sequence macam ini? Serial, ada ke tidak? Serial, tidak boleh. Tidak boleh. Kita mesti A, B, C, D ataupun A, D, C, B, di mana kalau you tengok, kalau A, B, C, D, dia rotate ikut clockwise ataupun A, D, C, B, anti-clockwise. Oh, dia hanya ada dua jalan sahaja. Dia hanya ada dua jalan. So, kita lukiskan, kita agak-agak dulu. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. Kalau kita tengok koordinat A, A 7, negative 1. 7, negative 1 sini. A 7, negative 1. Betul ke tidak, Syria? And also B 3, 5. 3, 5 ini. B 3, 5. Dua titik ini kita sudah tahu. Dua titik ini kita sudah tahu. Tapi untuk C, kita hanya tahu Y sahaja, negative 2. So, kalau saya gantikan garis ini negative 2 guna warna hijau. Maksudnya sepanjang ini. Sepanjang ini koordinat A yang koordinat C yang mungkin berada. C mungkin sini, 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 sini. Dia sepanjang ini saja. Garis ini saja dia boleh berada. Ini you boleh faham tak, Syria? Boleh. Lepas tu tengok D. 6. 6 untuk S 6 untuk S maksudnya kalau saya guna merah 6 garis ini. Ini ialah line Y equal to 6. This one is Y, S equal to negative 2. So, that means koordinat D akan terletak pada A. So, kita kalau nampak A di sini, kalau A di sini, B di sini, A, B di sini. Kita hanya ada dua jalan, sama ada A, B, C, D. Ataupun A, B, C, D. 1 dan 2 saja. Ini kamu setuju, Syria? Ini boleh faham tak? Okey. So, kita tengok kalau berada pada based on the garis yang ada lah, garis warna hijau dengan yang warna merah. Kalaulah C berada di, sebab C warna hijau kan, ini S C warna hijau. Kalaulah C berada di sini, kalau C berada di sini, mungkin kamu kata, cikgu boleh panjangkan sikit, boleh. Katakan C berada di sini, semua inilah. Katakan di sini. Maksudnya D, maksudnya A, B, dia kena pergi sini. C, D, tengok, D pergi sini sudah. You tengok, bentuk dia macam ini. Dia bukan parallelogram. Kalau parallelogram, macam ni kan. Ini boleh faham tak, Syria? Okey, bagus. So, mau tak mau, C mesti di sebelah sini, betul? Betul? Okey, so katakanlah kita lukis C di sini. Saya pun tak tahu di mana, katakan di sini. C. Maksudnya, D boleh ke tidak di atas ini? Boleh tak? Tak boleh. Kalau tak boleh, D mesti di bawah sini. Katakanlah sekarang, saya katakan D di sini. D di sini. Katakan saja. So, saya sambung ini. Sambung. Katakanlah, tak apa. Nampak, biarlah dia macam parallelogram lah, katakan dulu, tidak apa. Kalau parallelogram, that means gradient for the AB will equal to gradient for the CD. Betul tidak, Surya? Dan juga gradient untuk CB pun sama dengan gradient untuk TA. Betul tidak? Betul. So, macam yang ini tadi lah. Tadi cikgu pakai yang nombor 1 kan? Nombor 1. Buat yang ini pakai nombor 1. Nombor 1 ialah AD dengan BC. AD, BC. Okay, sekarang saya guna ini untuk tunjuk sekali lagi lah, Surya. Saya guna gradient untuk AB and gradient untuk CD. Gradient untuk AB and CD. Gradient untuk... Okay, thank you. AB equal to gradient of CD. CD. So A ialah negative 7 minus 5. Y negative. Salah. Negative 1 minus 5 over 7 minus 3 equal to CD. Negative 2 minus K over H minus 6. Boleh faham tak Surya setakat ni? Okay, you tengok atas ini adalah Y, bawah sini adalah S. So, atas tak boleh banding dengan bawah ataupun macam mana lah. Atas banding atas. So, atas ini adalah negative 6 equal to negative 2 minus K. So, K will be negative 2 plus 6 will be 4. Right? Negative 6, 4. Negative 6, 4. 4, Y. Okay, bagus. Bagus. Ini yang kamu tak faham lah, Surya, mungkin ini yang kamu tak faham. Tak apa, kita sambung dulu. 7 minus 3 equal to H minus 6. So, H will be, ini 4 plus 6 equal to 10. Okay? You tengok, K equal to 4, that means K is a D. K equal to 4, that means sini kan? Sini. H equal to 10, maksudnya 7, 8, 9, 10. Sini. Betul tidak? Betul tidak? Yes. Okay, sekarang saya guna warna merah. Okay. H. H ini untuk C. C ialah 10. C ialah 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Ini 10. So, ini C. Ini D. Okay? So, you tengok. A, B, D, pergi sini. Okay, macam ini. Nampak macam parallelogram, tetapi A, B, D, C. Adakah ini boleh diterima? Saya tanya kamu dulu, Surya. Boleh diterima tidak? Dia tidak follow sequence. Tidak follow sequence ini. A, B, C, D, A, D, B, C. Kalau dia tak follow sequence, maksudnya tak boleh diterima. Ini tak boleh diterima. So, kena pakai yang satu lagi. Boleh faham ke tidak, Syria? Mungkin kamu tanya, cikgu, itu pun gradient kan? Ya, tahu, betul. But, in mathematics, ABCD must ABCD. A, B, C, D. Dia mesti follow sequence. Anti-clockwise ataupun clockwise. Sebab C di sini tidak boleh A, B, C, D. Maksudnya bentuk dia macam ini. Ini bukan parallelogram. Ini A, B, C, D. Ini is not parallelogram. It's not a polygon. Boleh faham? Guys, ada pun you hati-hati ya. Be careful. So any more questions? $20. Okay. Diagram shows two content touch. Touch at the point 3 given the gradient function of the container A. Okay, Darren, I ask you which one is container A and which one is container B? Number 1, number 2. Who say number 1 is A? Reply me E. Who say number 2 is equation A? Is container A? Reply me Y. Everybody have to answer me. Izzat say number 2 is container A. Darren? E. Okay. How about the others? Not yet who, not yet try. Okay, not yet try. Reply me T. Semua kena jawab saya. Semua kena balas saya. Bagus. You are so honest. Saya suka. Viviana, sudah cuba belum? Belum. Syria sudah cuba? Belum. Okay. So Izzat and Darren and also others, you see senang saja untuk kita identify. Darren, actually, do you really confirm that container A is 1 or number 2? Izzat and Darren, you really confirm or not? Or 50-50, not really sure. Confirm. Izzat confirm. Darren, you confirm? Not really. So Izzat say Y. Y means number 2. This one is A. This one is B. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Given that the gradient of the function for the container A, gradient, container A is equal to 4 minus 2x. Then gradient of the container B, hs minus 8. Okay. Gradients means dy dx. Correct? Correct or not? Izzat and Darren. Of course, now we don't have y. Y now is actually the volume. Y is volume. Or this one is quadratic because we say it's point. This one is say it's point. So quadratic. Quadratic. If we do the integration, that means this one is dy dx is equal to 4 minus 2x. dy square, no. So y equal to 4s minus 2s square over 2 plus c. Let's say lah, like this 4s minus s square plus c. And for the b, dy ds equal to hs minus 8. So y equal to hs square over 2 plus minus plus c. So h over 2 s square minus. Okay, so this one is a, this one is b. Okay, Darren and Darren and Izzat, once again choose. Who say B? No. This one is container A, container 1. This one is container 2. Who say container? Yeah, container 1 is A. Reply me D. Who say container 2 is A? Reply me F. Okay, one tips, one tips. You see? What's that means? This one is quadratic with the A positive. This one is quadratic with the A negative. You get what I mean? You get what I mean? So you look at this one. Negative s squared plus 4s plus c. So A is negative. This one, of course, we don't know what is the value of h, but from here, we know that container A is this one. So this one is A, this one is B. Okay, Darren? Okay, good. So this is only the beginning now. The introduction, just the introduction. So this one is A, this one is B. So given that gradient and enveloping subject h is constant, find the value of h. Find the value of h. So that means you substitute this value into the this one, 4 minus 2s equal to hs minus 8. So s will be 3 over 2. Okay, Darren? Okay. So B, do I need to explain for the B? Or you try first? No need. Okay. Any more questions? (21A). All right, 21A. Okay, this is straight line. Okay, wait. What's the difference between parallel and also collinear for the vector. Okay, let's say I have a line. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. P, Q, R, S. Okay, of course, from here we can see, okay, we can see that PQ and RS is parallel. And this one is collinear, right? If understand, reply me 1. If not, reply me 2. How about the others? Yang lain tidak jawab saya. Viviana, mana kamu? Ivy? Okay. So, what's the way of writing parallel and also the collinear? It's like this, you see. If parallel like this one, this case, they will write PQ equal to, okay, let's say 2RX, in this way. You see, P, Q, R, and X only happen one time. Hanya muncul sekali sahaja. But kalau collinear, AB equal to, let's say 2BC. You tengok ini. Ada 2 kali. That means ABC is a straight line and is a collinear. Boleh faham? Kalau boleh faham, reply me E. Kalau tak faham, reply me F. This one you have to remember. You really have to remember. And then now, these questions, A. Okay, Izzat. Kamu yang tanya, saya tanya kamu lah. Apa yang dimasukkan ini? Ini sama dengan ini. You tengok. Macam saya kata tadi. QA sama dengan AB. Sini adalah nombor. Katakan 2 lah. Katakan 2. PQ, RS. Dia mesti parallel macam ini kan. Ini PQ. Ini AB. Betul tak, Izzat? Sepatutnya macam itulah kan? Ya. Tapi you tengok. AQ naik kan? PQ naik. AB macam ini. Adakah ini parallelogram? Tidak. So, maksudnya apa? Kalau tak tahu, reply me Y. Kalau tahu, reply me U. Tak tahu. Okay. Darren, how about you? Can you get what I mean? Why tak tahu? Okay. Kalau, if parallelogram, we have the value of this one. If not parallel, that means this equation cannot be happen. Kalau cannot be happen, maksudnya kosong. Betul tak? Macam mana nak jadikan equation ini kosong, ini pun kosong, ataupun ini kosong, mana-mana satu kosong? So 2n minus 1 have to become 0. 2n equal to 1, n equal to 1 over 2. So, kalau N equal to 1/2, that means 0 P Q. So, kosong mah. Tak jadilah. Ini bukan parallel. Boleh faham? Dia kosong sebab bukan parallel. Yap, macam itulah. Oh, sebab dia that means N sama dengan 1/2 M. So, M plus, ini pun equal to 0. Oh, 1/2. So, M equal to 3/2 untuk N. Kalau parallel macam mana? Kalau parallel 2N minus 1 sama dengan inilah. Of course, dia akan bagi scale dia. Dia akan bagi scale dia. Macam magnitude dia. Ada lagi? Any more questions? Okay. Oh, ini ya. Ini ada. Ivy, good question. Julia and Norma walk in opposite direction at the junction. Okay, at the junction, this is junction. So let's say Julia walk on this way, Norma this way. Okay, Julia walk at the distance of 1.5 meter during the first second, 1.747 second. Okay. T1, 1.25. T2, 1.47. T3, 1.44. And so on. Norma is what direction of P. To the direction of P. P meter during the first. Okay. Norma pergi ke sini kan. So the first one is P. Second one, okay, the distance covered is always 2 cm shorter. That means P minus 2. Betul? T3, P minus 2, minus 2 lagi. Betul tak? Ivy? Halo Ivy, betul tak? Betul, bagus. Then both of them stop at the end and second. Okay, so P, find the value. Okay, saya mau tanya Ivy dulu Ivy. You tengok Julian mula-mula second pertama 1.5, 1.47, 1.44. Betul ke tidak? Sampai ke entahlah sampai N T ke N akan distance dia akan jadi kosong. So, sebab semakin kecil sampai kosong. Betul ke tidak Ivy? Hello Ivy. Dan juga Norma pun entahlah sampai bila TN jarak dia semakin pendek pun akan jadi kosong. Betul? Hanya kita tidak tahu apa nilai P yang mula-mulanya. Kalau kita tengokkan Julian, setiap satu ini aritmetik D ialah 0.03, betul? Negatif 0.03, betul ke tidak? You dapat yang ini ke tidak? Ivy, you dapat ini tidak? Ya. Yeah. So, Norma punya D ialah negatif. Satu lagi you tengok ini meter, And ini ialah cm so kita pakai m semua. Maksudnya 0.02. Betul? So, masing-masing akan apa ni? Dia punya, okay, untuk Julian. T1 equal to 1.5. T2 equal to 1.47. T3 1.44 sampai Tn equal to 0. Okay? So, norma pun T1 equal to P. T2 equal to P minus 0.02. Ke T3 and bla bla sampai ke Tn equal to 0. And N untuk Julian dengan norma adalah yang sama. Oh, untuk Julian dengan norma adalah sama. So, let's say untuk Julian, Tn equal to A plus N minus N D. So, A 1.5. 1.5. Tn equal to 0 mah. 0 lah. Tambah N minus 1. D is negative 0.03. Negative 0.03. 1.5 plus minus minus 0.03 N plus 0.03. So 0.03 N equal to 1.53. So N equal to 1.53 over 0.03 equal to, if you press on the calculator, we'll get how much, Ivy? 1.53 divided 0.03. What is the value of N? 51. Bagus. 51. That means dia sampailah ke 51, dia akan, Julian akan berhenti. Julian akan berhenti. So kita gunakan N sama dengan 51. Kita nak cari value of P. So untuk norma A equal to P, D equal to negative 0.02. So Tn equal to P plus N minus 1. Negative 0.02. So Tn pun kosong sebab dia pun nak berhenti bah. So P plus N lah 51. 51 minus 1 negative. Okay, so P plus 50 minus this one, how much, Ivy? Minus 100, right? So P equal to negative 100 centimeter. P equal to 100. No. Ini 1. 1. So P equal to 1. Boleh faham? Ivy boleh faham untuk A? So B, the difference of the total, ini baru A ya. So untuk B, difference of the total distance covered by Julian before they stop. Maksudnya kamu cari, ini 51. 51 over 2, 2A plus N1. This one is negative 0.03. Then ini Julian. Normal S51. 51 over 2. 2A, bla bla bla. Kamu tolak. Boleh faham? Ivy? Ivy faham tak, Ivy? Boleh, bagus. Nanti kamu cuba lagi Kalau tak dapat jawapan nanti you tanya saya balik. Nanti cikgu bagi lagi jawapan. Untuk step dia. Okay, ada lagi soalan? Ada lagi soalan? Kalau tidak, 23A. Okay, 23A. Siapa yang sudah try, reply 1. Belum try, reply 2. Tak tahu, not yet. Tak tahu, reply 3. Tak tahu, Izzat tak tahu. Darren, IB3 tak tahu. Darren 2, not yet. Okay. Astro 2, not yet. Okay. Untuk soalan ini ya, first of all, really have to make sure which quadrant, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the degree that we means must from x, from 0, from x. This is the diagram that we mean. This is the angle that we mean. Oh, sorry. Alright. Yang tak tahu tu, you try dulu you try. Tadi Izzat 23A. Okay. Given that, okay, blah 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 blah. 23A. Okay. Okay, we make a experiment. If you really not sure, we do an experiment. Let's say 5. Okay, 5, 4. Okay, you press the calculator. See how much?
Do you even want a unicorn?
5. 5. Okay. 5 minus this number.
Okay, tell the same.
Which means 5C1. How much? 5. That means 5, 1 equal to 5. Okay. Kalau 6, ini berapa pula? 15. Kalau 6. Ini pakai 2 kan? So, ini pakai 4. Sebab dia tolak. Okay, berapa? 15. So, agak-agak faham sudah ke maksud saya? Izzat? Tidak. Okay. Untuk ini ya, case pertama. Ini 5 maksud dia apa hubungan dia? Apa hubungan ini dengan ini? Ya, 4 plus 1. Ini pun sama kan? 6 equal to 4 plus 2. So, apa ini? Macam itu saja. Okay? Any more questions? Kalau macam itu, untuk ini, N sama dengan berapa? Yang nombor 2. N sama dengan 5 lah kan? Macam itulah. Any more question? Kalau tidak, kita ada 25. It's around 25 minutes. Kita pergi ke apa? Nota ringkas. Boleh kah? Okay. So, okay. Function. Kalau saya pergi terlalu cepat, you bagi tahu saya. Okay, revision only. For the function, if this one is A, this one is B, so you have to identify which one is domain, codomain, image, object, and the range. So for the A, set A. Okay, domain. Apa dia domain? Domain is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, domain dengan object. Okay, if domain, we write it in set. If object, we no need to write it in set. Tak payah tulis dalam set. Domain, we write in set. Codomain is also in set. Codomain. And image. Okay. What's the image? Codomain and also image. Okay. You see, codomain is everything have connected with from the set A. Image, yalah, untuk ini masing-masing A and B. A and B. But one types of yep. Okay. Okay. You see, you see, domain 1, 2, 3, 4, object 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain is all the number here. Codomain is all the number here, but image is only 1, 4, 9. It's not considered 2, 3, and 6 because do not connect with the set A. So for the image, 2, 3, and 6 is not image. Boleh faham? And the range 149. Range 149. Okay. The relationship 1 to 1, many to 1, many 1 to many, many to many. Okay. This is, we have to differentiate two types. One is relation. Relationship. One is a function. Relation is relation. Relation, this one is 1 to 1, 1 to many, many to 1, many to many. This is only relationship. But doesn't mean that it is function. Okay, if understand, reply me 1. If not understand, reply me 2. Because you know why? Okay, like this one. Okay, see the diagram A, diagram number 1. This diagram. Is this function? If you say yes, reply me A. If no, reply me B. Diagram 1. Is it a function? Everybody have to answer me. Okay. Okay, Astro say 1. This one is not the function. This one is not the function because B 5 do not connect with any domain here, codomain here. Or it's not a function. Okay, this one I have to be careful. Diagram 2. Is it a function? Tengok semua dia bersambung. Yes, it's a function. Diagram 3. This one is many to 1. Okay, many, these two connect to this one. Okay, many to 1. This one also many to 1. Yes, this is function. This one, number 4. Is it a function? No. It's not a function. Ini you hati-hati lah. Okay, untuk this one. If fs equal to s minus 2, okay, f square s minus 4, f cube power of 3, how about if power of 30? Macam mana jawab? Siapa? Okay, you try. For this one. Try, I give you 1 minute. Okay, before I give the answer, I try first, but I not yet try. If f square, the pattern will be s minus 2. 2 times 2n, 2n, let's say. This is n. 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, correct. So f30 will be s minus 2, 30, s minus 60. Yeah, like that lah, Result. So if you see this kind of question, you have to find the pattern. At least you do 2 and 3. If you still cannot get the pattern, you do until number 4. Okay lah, So next. So in the graph type, s-axis is always object. This one is image. This one is object. Okay. Okay, composite should be no problem. Inverse, let y equal to fs. Okay, quadratic general form. Wait, general form as squared, one should be no problem. Then completing the square, this one, if possible, you try out 1 until 2 times. How it get, how we get this formula. This one is what I mean just now. Astro, yang saya cakap tadi, ini. Sum of roots, product of roots. Ini mesti negatif, ingat. Okay, ini pula 3 types of roots. Have 2 different roots, 2 equal roots, do not have real roots. Okay, this one is we find the range. Ini sama lah. This one is A positive or negative lah, Okay. This one, we get from completing the square. Completing the square. A if positive, minimum, we smile. We smile. A negative, sedih. So minimum point, maximum point, we can get it from here. But that day we use another way, right? We use another way. Maximum or minimum method to get the value S and Y. Also can. Inequality. So if less than 0, let's say b squared minus 4. Okay, less than square, so should be like this. If more than, greater than 0, S like this, here and here. Okay, if you have any problem, you stop me lah, simultaneous. This one should be no problem. Chapter 4, chapter 5. Okay, this one all is given. All is given. If you're not really confident, always refer to the formula. This one. Serial tadi kita nak tukar base. So yang atas ini tukar base kepada C. So B di atas, yang ini di bawah. Okay. Kalau kita tukar kepada B, okay, kalau kita tukar kepada B, ini akan jadi sama. And same case, let's say we change to the log A. Bawah pun log A. So akan masih lagi log AB. Masih lagi sama. Itu, that's why they didn't show this. They didn't show this one. Okay. Log 1 always equal to 0. No matter what is the base. Let's say base is a 100. As long as this number is 1, so always 0. Understand? Okay. Coordinate geometry. This one should be no problem. Okay. Area, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Always put on modulus. Gradient. This is what I mean just now. Is that Darren? Okay, parallel, same gradient. Perpendicular, M1, M2 equal to -1. Okay, locus. Normally this one must have one question. Be careful. statistic. Okay, medium. Don't worry, this one is this formula is also given, no? Variance. Okay, this one no problem. Inequality, interquartile range. Q quartile 3 minus quartile 2. Circular measuring. Okay, this one. Perimeter. And also the segment. This is what I mean yesterday. This formula is actually 1 over 2 AB sine C. Is a solution of triangle. And this one is in radian. This one is in degree. Okay, do not confuse. Do not confuse. Differentiation. If UV, that means y equal to, let's say, 10, and then s 2s plus y 5. This kind of question, you do y equal to uv. If just s, okay, square, this kind of question, no need lah, you can expand it times 3. Let's say 3x. You can expand it. Expand. Kalau tak mau, masih guna cara ini pun boleh, tidak ada masalah. If you're not confident with the formula, okay, no need to memorize. You just open your formula list, like this. How to identify a function is u over v. U over v. Down there, fraction must have something x here. Must have something x here. Okay. Minimum, maximum point. Turning point. Turning point. Izzat. Turning point. V, velocity. dv dt equal to 0. So 0. Sini dia berhenti, dia turun. Kalau ini jarak yang dilalui, let's say 2 meter, down sini 3. So dia kena bahagi kepada 2. 0 sampai, okay, let's say this one is a V, this one is a T. So 0 sampai 2, 2 sampai 5. Dia kena ada 2 lah, Izzat. Okay. Then next. Okay, to identify whether the turning point is maximum or minimum point, you do the second derivation. Okay, this one. Okay, serial macam soalan semalam. Okay, rate of change. Tengok apalah rate ini, dt ya. Kalau radius, kalau volume, dv dt. Kalau height, dh dt. Mesti, if like cylinder or sphere, like must have a solid geometry. Small change, okay, small change. Ini is we substitute the s value with the new one. We substitute with the new one. This one is the origin one. Original one. This one is the new x. Okay, the small change. Solution of triangle only have 2 formula. We have only 2 formula. First one is this one. Second one is this one. Sorry, have another one. This is area. Only 3. Only 3. Just that you have to make sure which triangle you are looking for. Like this one, C, C1, C2. If you are looking at the C, C1, and B, okay, always this triangle. When you look at another triangle, then your attention must be really concentrate on. So do not confuse with the triangle that you mean. Index number, this one should be no problem. Progression, okay. Make sure the question that you are doing is arithmetic or geometric. The linear law please must form in this way. After you form in this way, then you compare y with y, m with m, and c with c, d with s with s. Compare, just compare. Integration. Okay, this one is what I mean. Yes, that day. If given, okay, now we are generate the rotation with the s axis. If with the s axis, okay, so this one, sorry, y axis, this one is dy. If generate with the s axis, this one is dx. Okay, and you see the dot line here, dot line here, down there, right? Down there is dot line. That means at first down there do not have anything. Do not have anything. So the volume is this formula. If the diagram is like this, which means down part is not dot line, we want to find the volume, you have to add 1/2. Okay, understand or not? If understand, please reply me too. Please. And this one, area under the curve, area is always, okay, if this is the equation, the area is always down there, it's not up there. If we have a question like this, so if you want to get this area, we have to this one minus this one, then we get this one. Okay, boss? Then vector, okay, magnitude, modulus, okay, parallel. You see, if parallel, okay, you see, collinear. Collinear. Why collinear? B and B. Of course, if straight line A, B, C, A, B, and BC, of course, is parallel. But then AB, BC is also collinear. Okay, the ratio. If not parallel, you see, is that if not parallel, H and K equal to 0. Okay, is that? Okay, this one should be no problem. Okay, unit vector, unit vector. Down there is magnitude, magnitude. Trigonometry. Trigonometry. Okay. Permutation, combination. This one. Okay. Probability. Okay. Okay. See, this one, mutually exclusive as exhaustive. Okay, mutually exclusive is do not have intersect. You see, A intersect B equal to nothing. That's why when A union B, A plus B, do not minus A and B again. Do not minus, because this one is nothing. do not have anything. If S housing, A union B equal to X, which means S is universal. Everything already. Everything include there already. So A union B equal 1. Like this. This one is universal. This is set A, this is set B. So this is OA, this is OB. Okay? If independent, A intersect B, A time B. Okay? Never mind, this one later I can send you if you want. If don't want, also never mind, just ignore it. Probability. Okay, this one should be no problem. This is binomial. Okay. P is a probability of success. Q is fair. Okay, this is normal distribution, and this is mean. This is variance. Okay, variance. So, but then Z equal to, this is a value that we want to find, minus mean. This is standard deviation. Standard deviation. Okay, motion along straight line. Okay, displacement. Okay, displacement. Everything if go to the left side, displacement will become negative. But doesn't mean that the distance is negative. We have to modulus. This one go to the right. Okay, ds dt. This one is velocity. Okay, if displacement we want to become velocity, we differentiate. Velocity want to go back to the displacement, integrate. Integrate. And also the others. Displacement want to go to acceleration, so 2 times of differentiate. Okay, this one should be no problem. This one also okay. Finish. Okay guys, later on I will send you the answer for the paper 1 that day. And also this small notes for you. So I wish you good luck. This one that day already I tell you, explain to you already. Once again. Mean, mode, and median. The new mode, mean, and median will all depends on if multiply 2, added 3, so added 3. Range, interquartile, standard deviation, ignore the plus and minus, addition and subtraction. You ignore it, only multiplication and division you have to add in for the new set of deviation, standard deviation. If variance, everything that you multiply in, you have to square. You have to square it, right? Okay, that's all for today. Any more question? No more. Okay. If you have any question before the exam, you can just text me, WhatsApp me. Yeah, surely I will help you. Surely I will help you. Don't worry. And I really wish you good luck. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. and bye bye.